Want to unlike the like post on Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to unlike like post on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. Begin by opening Threads app on your phone. Then click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. At the top right corner of your screen, there is two horizontal lines icon. Click on it. After that, click on the liked button. Here you can see all your liked threads. In order to unlike the post, click on the red heart icon. And that's how you can unlike like post on Threads app. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.